This is a micro tutorial for adding sunflowers to your image in Photoshop, and you can see this image is a beautiful cool matte finish, so I'm going to show you how you can tweak them and adapt for that. For the complete tutorial, the first tutorial when it comes to installing and how to kind of get into depth with these, you can watch tutorial number 1 if you're in any doubt. So I'm going to click dive straight in, assuming you've watched that video and you're cool with the actions. You can also drag and drop these by hand if you want to. I'm just going to use the actions to help me apply. And I'm locating the unzipped extracted sunflower files downloaded from the LSP Actions website. I'm going to hit LSP Sunflower Scene Wide for this one, because I think, we just want to really frame these subjects in. So you can just resize until you're happy. I'm making sure this is hitting exact edges of the canvas. Double click or hit enter and you're done, they're added in. Now because this scene's quite cool, you can see the coolness in the greens. There's a discrepancy between the greens in the final edit compared to the greens in the sunflowers. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play Tone Cooler and slide this up. And that's just kind of giving us that cool tone that matches way better with the original image. You can add some manual editing if you wanted to. For example, you could click a human saturation layer, right click, create clipping mask. That'd be your first step because you want it to apply only to the sunflowers you've added in, so make sure it's above them. I'm going to select the yellows and move it into the greens. This is a little bit more advanced. Just take that saturation down, bring the lightness up. And you can see there now we're matching completely. Before and after. It's really important to match your scene. I'm now going to play this Sweet Sunflowers finisher just because I love it so much for sunflower images. And this comes with your download, it comes with the actions, and you can see we've given that beautiful sunny warmth to the image just by clicking this one thing. I've just slid the opacity up a little bit. Before, after. Let's see a complete before image and after. Really framed it in. We're bringing the eye in to our subjects by framing it with the sunflowers in the foreground. I hope you love these. I can't wait to see what you do with them. Please tag me in the LSP Actions editing group on Facebook. I'd really love to see. I'm Lauren. Thanks for watching.